Adding a household. From your menu, go to People, Households, Household List. A household is a physical location where people reside, and the name of the household represents the adults that are responsible for that location. It does not represent the individual. A member is a person that resides at that location. Every member of a family should have their own member record in the system. Click on the Add New Household button. Adding a household to IconCMO requires a minimum of 4 fields: first name, last name, city, and state. All other fields on the household screen are optional. If you use an ampersand or the word "and" between the first names of the household, the system will automatically create a member record for the 2 adults. After clicking Save, these member records will appear in the Family Members window. For households that only have 1 adult, the system will create the member record for that individual. The status date field is used for multiple reasons by churches and is most helpful when used consistently for the same purpose. Some examples of how churches use this date field is for when the household joined the church, when the household first visited the church, or the last time the record was updated. The phone and email both have unlisted options that can be used to keep that information from appearing in directories. The Include in Directory option is checked by default and should be unchecked if the household does not want to be listed in the printed or online directories. The Mail To field is the way the household name will display on labels, directories, and contribution statements. Address line 1 and 2, city, state, and zip code should be filled out appropriately with the mailing address. The carrier route and address zone can be used for a variety of classifications. Some churches like to use the address zone as a quick reference to know what part of the city the household lives in, such as east, west, north, and south. Some churches will use these fields to assign the household to a particular deacon or leader of the church. In this screen, you can also print an envelope, view a map, or get driving directions. The household alternate address can be viewed by clicking the circle next to alternate address. This is very similar to the regular address, except there are starting and end dates for the alternate address.